How to access a dictionary element in a Django template. I would like to print out the number of votes that each choice got. I have this code in a template. Votes is just a dictionary while choices is a model object. It raises an exception with this message.
To echo, extend upon Jeff's comment, what I think you should aim for is simply a property in your choice class that calculates the number of votes associated with that object. And then in your template, you can do the template tag. Is IMHO a bit overkill for this solution, but it's not a terrible solution either. The goal of templates in Django is to insulate you from code in your templates and vice versa. I'd try the above method and see what SQL the ORM generates, as I'm not sure off the top of my head if it will pre-cache the properties and just create a subselect for the property, or if it will iteratively, on-demand run the query to calculate vote count. But if it generates atrocious queries, you could always populate the property in your view with data you've collected yourself.
Here's the template. Basically, .items is a Django keyword that splits a dictionary into a list of key, value, pairs, much like the Python method .items. This enables iteration over a dictionary in a Django template.
You can use the dot notation. Dot lookups can be summarized like this. When the template system encounters a dot in a variable name, it tries the following lookups, in this order: dictionary lookup, for example, foo_bar; attribute lookup, for example, foo.bar; method call, for example, foo.bar; list index lookup, for example, foo2. The system uses the first lookup type that works. It's short-circuit logic.
You need to find or define a getTemplate tag, for example, here. The tag definition. And it's used like
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.